welcome to this episode of CodeAlong with Zay. We'll be looking at HTML text formatting. Okay, HTML contains several elements for defining a text with special meanings. So let's look at some of these tags I'll be looking at. There's so many of them, but these are the ones I feel are the most important ones. The B tag for bold, the I tag for italics, the small tags for making text smaller, the mark tags for marking. For those of us that study the Bible, we make marks. The sub for subscript and the sub for superscript. Oh, sorry, that's superscript. Okay, so let's create a new HTML file, HTML page for this. So call it text format.html. Okay, so we'll create our page structure, Shift 1, Enter. We'll change the title, HTML text formatting. Okay, and now within the body tags, let's start with okay, let's create a paragraph and then use the content of the paragraph to see how this looks like. So let's lorem let's use lorem 50. So we have 50 randomly generated words, and we start wrapping them. Okay, so let's wrap this in the B tag. Excuse me. So to here. Okay, so this section, according to our definition, we made bold. This section, and the next one is italics. So let's italicize this section. Left angle bracket I, right angle bracket. Then VS Code gives us the closing tag. We cut it, Control X to cut. Then I need to close it here. So basically, like we've looked at before, the opening tag tells the browser where which content should be rendered with whatever the meaning of the tag is. Okay, so this should be rendered as italics because of the tags, the opening and closing tags. Right? So kind of like a reminder. So let's look at small. Let's make this small. So left angle bracket, small, right angle bracket. VS Code gets that, gives us the closing tag. I'll cut, and let's place it just here. Right. So where it starts and where it ends for your project depends on whatever you want to stress, how you want to stress it. So we looked at small. Let's look at Mac. So left angle bracket, K. Let's get the other one. Beautiful. Okay, the concept of sub and super. Let's okay, so subscript is like a math. You have 10 base 2. So let's do that. So we have 10. Okay, so we sub. Okay, so we have 2. And superscript is like 2 to the power 2 in maths. So sub 2. Oh, sorry. I already have that. So let's look at all of them. I also want to put to identify each one. So this is our bold, and this is our italics, so that we'll be able to identify each of them when we get there. So this is small. What else? This is Mac. What else do I have? Okay, so we're able to identify these two, sub and sub. So let's go to our folder and text formats. Okay, so this is bold, this is italics, Can you see this one? It's smaller. It's like 80% smaller than the normal size. Okay, then this is Mac. I think here, let's use our line break to separate both of them. So BR Okay, so you see 10 to the 10 base 2 and 2 to the power 2. So this is sub, this is subscript, this is superscript, this is bold, this is mark, this is italics, and this